sunrise, the day's first deliveries roll into one of the world's largest chocolate manufacturing plants. Built with efficiency and precision, the modern facility.
Noted. All market cleared for roasting.
Great. Let's check the next shipment once it's unloaded.
Rows of sealed packs move steadily down the line as robotic arms place them for secondary packaging. Technicians in full hygiene gear monitor every step.
This one's at 22 millimeters. Size is within spec.
Moisture's reading 6.4%. Nice and dry.
Aroma's clean, no off notes. Color looks uniform too.
Great. I'll bag this batch for approval.
Inside the 5-roll refiner, each set of polished steel drums squeezes the chocolate thinner and thinner. By the time it leaves the
Inside the temperature-controlled conche, paddles work the chocolate for hours, driving off harsh acids, rounding its flavor and polishing.
Viscosity's trending high. We're at 145.
Got it. I'll nudge the agitator speed up 2%.
That should bring it back in line. Particle size looks steady.
Yeah, we're holding at 18 microns.
Each wrapped chocolate bar rolls onto the stainless steel scale. The check weigher measures the weight in real time, flashing green when it's within tolerance and ejecting.
electric forklifts transport finished pallets into the climate-controlled finished goods warehouse, maneuvering between long rows of neatly organized inventory.
Got it. Label reads 531.
Confirmed. Inventory updated.
I'll move to the next pallet.
Go ahead, I'm ready.
Looking good, Tommy. A little more left.
Copy that. Sending it down.
Clear. I'll bring the next one.
With every shipment that leaves these gates, thousands of bars, truffles, and powders begin their journey around the world. The work behind them is precise,